Okay, check this out. We're about to get started here, hiking to Evans Peak in beautiful Maple Ridge, BC. This is the start. It's a long one. We stop here for a little breaky break, and now we go this way. Okay, we got a creek for the water, so on the way back, keep going. How far until we get there?
30 minutes, yeah.
Gotta do a dirty 30. Yeah. No, I've been here before. Been a few years. Thank you. Okay, I know that knot. That's a rope knot. Anyways, this is the part where we go up here, the most sketchy part of the hike. And there's a lot of bugs here, but let's go. Follow me. Follow me. Oh, this is really sketchy, but you can do like this, right?
Okay.
So hang on. So you need two hands. And now it's your turn. Evans Peak. We got 360 views over here. Here at the top, tons of views. We got Mount Robbie Reed over there. This is, I think, the Indian Arm. And over here, more crazy views. This is what it's all about, getting to the top, to the TOP. I think this is, I think that's Alouette. But yeah, we're gonna get the 360 views. I've seen avalanches and snow caves over there. It's the Evans Peak placard right there. And this is the way for mountain meditation down over here. Lots of bugs. My hiking partner has a nice net to get away from the bugs, but this is absolutely awesome up here. Very cool. Worth the 3 hours. I think 3 hours to get here. And now the fun part, going back. Let's go. Okay, so this is the end of the hike. We did it. It's been almost 7 hours, 6-7 hours. We don't know. Fell down. My partner fell down.
Me fell down.
Scratched my leg. I got a little bruise. Nothing crazy, but the rope part was sketchy. Rope part was really sketchy. It was dangerous. But we made it back in one piece. We ran out of water. We got lake water or whatever, dinosaur water from Jurassic Park. So I would give this hike 9 out of 10. The only reason why not 10 out of 10, there's a lot of bugs at the top, mucho bugs. Yes, so I give it a 9 out of 10. You got to book online for the weekends here. It wasn't too busy today on a Friday, but yeah, it was a great hike. You get great views, and it's steep, very steep. So that's what takes so long with this hike. But yeah, Friday, Evans Peak, we love it.
Done.
Forget FIFA, we out here.